Hi friends, this video has notes prepared by me from textbook. If you like this, please like and subscribe.
Unit 4 Documentary Letters of Credit. A license to deal with the foreign exchange is given to ADs by RBI. In India, direct rate is used, that is home currency is variable, that is like 1 USD is 46 rupees or 70 rupees. If Nostro account is credited before payment to the tender of foreign exchange, TT buying rate apply, and if it is credited after payment to the tender of foreign exchange, bill buying rate applies. This is important. If outward remittance and handling of bills involved, bill selling rate apply. If outward remittance and sale of foreign exchange and no import bills are handled, TT selling rate applies. So if there is any exchange of documents and so on, bill buying rate and selling rate, and if there is no documents involved, TT selling rate and buying rate apply. Dealer spread. Difference between buying and selling rate quoted by an AD is dealer spread. Dealer spread. Importer customer have to retire import bill at bill selling rate. ICC International Chamber of Commerce came into existence in 1919. Uniform Customs and Practice Documentary Credit 600 is UCPDC 600, under which LC comes under this documentary UCPDC 600 document. It came on 1/7/2007. LC opened by buyer bank on behalf of buyer of or importer in the favor of exporter. And buyer's bank is issuing bank. Advising bank is at seller's country, and it is authenticating. It authenticates LC, and confirming bank pay behalf of issuing bank. Revocable LC can be cancelled or amended. And all LCs are irrevocable LC, but an LC is revocable only if the word revocable is specified in the LC. If LC is silent, that it means irrevocable LC. Red clause LC, seller can request an advance. In green clause LC, higher security, a letter showing goods warehoused with advance also present. In deferred payment credit, no underlying bill of exchange, but payment at a future date. Back-to-back LC, one LC opened on behalf of other LC. Standby LC is a guarantee. Revolving LC is partial delivery of goods at specific interval of time. ICC Paris. It has UCPDC 600 and DocTex. DocTex means Documentary Credit Dispute Resolution Enterprise. UCPDC 600. Article 1 to 5. It is a definition of LC. 6 to 10. Availability, expiry date, place, etc. And Article 36. Article 19 to 27. Transport document. That is bill of lading. Non-revocable LC under UCPDC 600. Banks can honor or dishonor LC within 5 banking days. That is, accept and reject within 5 banking days only. Article 28 insurance document. Article 36 force majeure, that banks will not honor or negotiate under a credit expired during force majeure period. Documents under LC. First is bill of exchange. Bill of exchange can be is opened by beneficiary, that is LC issuing bank, payable at tenor mentioned on LC. Issuing bank's name and LC number is present. Currency of LC also present, and same amount of LC is present in bill of exchange. issuing bank name, LC number, they all are present in this bill of exchange. Next is invoice. It's a commercial document, and it's a basic necessity for an LC, and is prepared by the beneficiary, that is seller. Details of goods is present in it, and the name of applicant, that is seller or opener of LC. Name of applicant, that is opener of LC, is also present in this invoice. Name, LC number, order number, issuing bank name. Next, third document is bill of lading. It's a transport document and is issued by ship owner. It has date, vessel name, quantity, quality, etc., and a description of all these are present in bill of lading. It's a shipping document. Bill of lading also has sign of ship owner. Bill of lading. Gross weight, net weight also present. Next document is insurance policy certificate. By insurance, it's given by insurance company agent on or before date of shipment. It's important, on or before date of shipment, and this insurance is 110% of CIF or CIP value of goods. Claim payable in country of applicant, that is issuer's country, buyer's country. Certificate of origin. This certificate determines origin of goods by an independent authority. Then crystallization. These 5 documents are important documents under LC. Next is crystallization. If importer fails to pay at the period of issuing, at the specified period of issuing bank will crystallize liability into Indian rupee. URR 75 Uniform Rules by ICC for banks for bank-to-bank reimbursement. ISBP 745 International Standard Banking Practice came in July 2013. Complaints under UCPDC 600. Back-to-back LC, an LC issued on back of another LC. Bill of exchange, a document drawn by the supplier or creditor or on buyer, that is LC opener. Crystallization is conversion of foreign currency bill to home currency liability. Standby LC is issued for guarantee, and Incoterms is applied to contract of sale but not contract of carriage. Now there are 11 Incoterms in use and deals with the relationship between buyer and seller. And these are the important points from chapter 4.